Hello. Before you call a plumber, if you have a slow bathtub that's backing up or it just drains very slowly, try this first. It doesn't always work, but it works a lot of the time. So what you can do first is remove the overflow. It's just two screws. Sometimes they're a Phillips, sometimes they're a flat. So what you want to do is just pull these two screws out, and these screws for some reason are very long. So I'm not going to make you watch me take both out completely.
Hurry up!
So now that you've got the cover plate off of the overflow, that looks pretty ugly actually. You're going to want to get a shop vac handy. Now, most people have a shop vac. If you don't have a shop vac, you really should have one. Typically, you can get a cheap one for around $100 depending on where you live. But what you're going to want to do first is get the drain off. Now, this is a clicker style drain, so it just backs right off. And it gives you access into the drain, just like that. Next, what you want to do is grab a damp rag.
Sure was damp today.
And what you're going to want to do is put the damp rag in the overflow. And what that's going to do is when you're going to try and suck the water out of the drain, it's going to stop the air from pulling through the top of the overflow. And you can see my shop vac doesn't quite fit around the opening of the drain. So what you can do is use another damp rag here. Now if that doesn't work, another trick that you can try is shop vacs, you can reverse them from sucking to blowing.
That's what she said.
And in doing this, you can try and push the obstruction through the drain rather than pull it back out of the drain. Now I hope this helped. Like I said, it does work a lot. So thanks for watching.